Hey there, Chris Bassett here, and I'll be showing you how I made custom GIFs for my Kick and Twitch channels. Let's get into it. So I thought it'd be funny to make a bunch of custom emotes with my own face, and Snapchat has a bunch of amazing filters that can change your face into cartoonish proportions. You can either take a photo or a video, and I'll show you how to do both. Both Twitch and Kick have static emotes and animated emotes. So just search up a filter that you'd like to use. For the example here, I'm going to be using like the smile filter, which gives you a big teeth. And then when you're ready, you can either tap the screen to take a picture, or you can hold the screen to perform a recording. So let's start off with a photo first. We'll make a static GIF. Those are really easy to make. When you're happy with your photo, go ahead and save it. There's a button in the lower left-hand corner to save it to your camera roll. All right, so you have your photo. Now let's take a video. So we'll hold the button and record 2 to 3 second video. I wouldn't go any longer than a couple seconds because you need to keep the file size small. So once again, you can save this video into your camera roll on your phone. Next, we need to send the media from your phone to your computer. Go ahead and open up your photos and then choose the photo or video that you want to send. In the lower left-hand corner, there's a send button, and then go ahead and send it to your email. I use Yahoo Mail, so I'm going to send it from my phone to myself. That way I can open up my email on the computer and get the images. You can also use a wired connection to send media. If you plug it into your phone and the computer, you can use like a USB cord. All right, here we are over on my computer, checking out the Yahoo Mail. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the emails that I sent myself. You can see this is the image, so we'll just click the image, and it says PNG here, so we'll download the image. There it is. I downloaded it. Perfect. And now go over to the other image, which is a video. So it says MP4. So we'll go ahead and download that. All right, I have both my images now. So there's going to be a couple of websites you're looking for. So I use this Photopea quite a bit. It's free. I'll put links to the websites we'll be using in the description of the video. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll start by opening from computer. Go ahead and go over to downloads. And then we've got the image that we downloaded and the video. Let's start off with the image. So that's easy to do. All right, so we'll open up this image from Snapchat first. And first thing we'll want to do is crop it. So the crop button is right here, crop tool. You can choose this from free. And all of the images for both Twitch and Kick, the GIFs need to be a square. So you can make it square, and then you can zoom in by going like this. Because you want to have your head like fit in the image. Because since they'll be real tiny, it'll be hard to see. Okay, so then you can see where it says pixels, and it says 505 pixels. You'll need at least 500 pixels. Is what the maximum is. So you can either do that, or you can do it over here. So you'll say, once you crop it to the size you want, say you want it like that, go ahead and hit the confirm button, and that'll crop this image now. And then you can go ahead and choose file, export as PNG. So the static image, like the photographs, will be a PNG. Go ahead and click that. And then over here where it says width and height, change that to 500. So once you have both 500 pixels, then you should be good to go. You can rename it, whatever you want to rename it. Let's say smile. And then you'll save it. Okay, so we've got the smile PNG now saved. If you did want to remove the background, you can do a background removal. So remove background BG. This link will also be down in the description. But then you can click that smile image, hit open, and it'll remove this background if you just want like a floating head. Or if you want like a square GIF, leave that background in. But what I like to do is you can cut this out, and then you use the cutout tool to erase and restore and the brush size. So see how I have like a red dot? You can change the size of that dot to be smaller. So we'll restore that back in there. So if you just want to chop off the head, You can shrink this down and erase, and then just get rid of this. And that way you'll have a floating head as your GIF. There we go. Okay, now that you get your floating head, we'll go ahead and download the floating head, do the free preview, and there's the floating head. All right, so both images are ready now. You can go ahead and throw this in as a GIF. So let's check out my Kick channel. And from your Kick dashboard, go to Creator Dashboard. Then go down to Channel. And then Community. And here you can punch in either static emotes, which would be this top option, or animated emotes, which is the bottom option. So we've got a static emote to add, so you can just enter whatever, smile, whatever the name is. Upload for local device. You can see it needs to be 500 by 500 and for the photos, and not exceed 1 megabyte for the videos. So we'll upload from local device, put the smile in there, and you can see what it looks like. Hit save. And there you go. You got a, may take a second to load in. Let's see if I refresh the page, maybe. There you go. So there it is. If you wanted to do the one without the, just a floating head, choose the other one. And there's the floating head. I'll refresh the page. Okay, cool. Pretty easy. Okay, let's check out Twitch now. We'll go over to my Twitch page, Twitch channel, and click on your creator dashboard. And then scroll down to viewer rewards. And then emotes. And here's where you can add, like, so there's follower emotes that are a free tier. You can add the static pictures in that way. Subscriber emotes. So if people pay for a subscription, you can put static images, 5 of those in here, or animated emotes right there. You can also get bonus emotes, standard. These are both static images, and then all the bits are all static. So, same process. Click on your open emote slot, download your file, whichever one you want to pick, and throw it in there, and then it'll be punched in there, and then you can name it whatever you want to name it. So smile. It's a lot of emotes have certain names like lol or kek, or right. So you would punch in you could do a Google search to see what are popular popular acronyms for emotes. Okay, so you go ahead and save that, and let's go ahead and look at, we got the images. So now that we have our head image, the first level to animating that, I'd recommend make emoji. So this one makes really easy emojis. I'll put the link down in the description for that. But you just upload a static image, and then it will animate them. So it has a ton of options to choose from. I think it's pretty funny. Like the pet one's funny. There's the panic one. You can scroll. You can see all of the different like animations that you can put in here. So just for example, we'll upload just the floating head. Hit save. And now we've got a floating head right there. And you can see what it looks like if it's being pet. You can see if it's like panicking, glasses. So this would be the easiest way to animate. Throw some animated images in there. And then when you're ready, we'll choose the pet one. There you go. And it's pet now. So then go back to your dashboard. See, I've got a pet one right there. Go ahead and click here. You could say smile pet or whatever, and then upload from local device. Choose the one you just did, and there it is. You're being pet now. So these are all animated, and these seem like you have Kick gives you a lot more freedom on your channel emotes. You can have 60 static and 60 subscriber animated only. Twitch is a little more stingy with their emotes, but okay. So for viewer rewards, emotes, and then we'll just move this real fast. So remove from slot. Okay, so now we've got an open slot, so we'll throw that one in there. There is an easy animate button on Twitch as well, so you can have an easy animate, and you can choose the animation. So if you have that static head, you can see these options here. I think that other make emoji has way more options. But okay, so then you can choose your file, choose your head, or choose the one that we just did. Excuse me. So you upload your GIF. There you go. And then there's the pet GIF. And it would show up, and then you could name it. And then there's a small period where they do they check it to make sure it's within terms of service or whatever. But okay, so now we'll take a look at the actual animated version that we did. So we're back on Photopea. If you just open a new browser or a new tab, or just hit back, we're going to open from computer. And then here is the MP4 file is the recording we did. So open that up. It'll say, frames, say sure. Okay, so here's the head face that's animated. The first thing you'll want to do is crop it. So go ahead and hit crop 1:1, and then we can adjust that. Okay, so once you have it cropped up, make sure you hit OK to confirm the crop. Then you can go to File, Export As, and then choose GIF. My computer's slow. It's having some problems. But it'll animate this. There it goes. It kicked in now. So the important thing to notice here is you want to make sure that your megabytes are under 1 and that your pixels are 500 or less. So if these numbers don't fit, you'll run into problems. It'll, both Twitch and Kick will tell you no, basically. So if you want to get this under, 1, you'll either need to drop the quality. So if your quality's at 100, it's going to be like 1.5 or something. Yeah. So you need to drop down the quality. So what we were at 30. So let's drop it down to 25. Get that under 1. Or you need to shorten the length of the video. So if you're trying to do this with like a 5-second video, that's too long. Get it down to like 2 or 3 seconds. And now that we're under 1 and we're all cropped up, should be good. So you can save it. It's saved as this. If you wanted to, you could have renamed that. Whoops. But then we'll go to emotes. Back to Kick. Here we can do, I don't know, face tongue. I don't know, whatever this was. Sure, Chris, is that how you spell tongue? Perfect. And there's the video. Hit OK. And there it is. So that's... No, there it is right there. I'm like, where did it go? It moved up to the front here. And same with Twitch. You'd go ahead and punch in your animated emote. Since it's animated, it has to be animated. If you're putting it in the wrong spot, it won't show up. So got to make sure if it's the video, it's for animated only. And click it. Put it in there. There you go. And what do we say? Sure. Whatever. Yep. All right. Pretty easy. Alrighty, everybody. I hope that was helpful. Let me know down in the comments if there's any clarification you need help with or anything like that. Otherwise, get out there, make some funny GIFs, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.